Subscribe and press the bell icon to enjoy more exciting and enlightening videos from Dheya.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Masterpieces series. So today we have a special guest with us, our new mentor, Nasiruddin sir. So welcome sir, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great, Preeti. Thank you. How are you doing?
I'm great sir, thank you so much for joining sir. And sir, now that you're a part of Dheya as a career mentor, can you tell us about your career journey?
My name is Sayed, and I started my journey with into the computer science field. So I have around 18 years of IT experience. So basically, my career started in 2003 when I finished my diploma in computer science and engineering, and I got an opportunity to join to Infosys on a contract basis. So that's the way I was morely into the computer science and tech in Bangalore. So I got an opportunity to work in various companies in my career. So that's how it all started.
Wow, great sir. So you're basically IT guy. So right.
Yeah, you can say.
Okay. So, sir, now that you're a part of Dhiya as a career mentor, what point in life that now, because you're into tech part, and what inspired you to become a mentor?
So basically, as I'm into the technical stuff, generally get chance to talk to a lot of people. It starts from the security layer and it start ends at the CEO level. So I need to talk to all the people, all the employees in the firm. So during that, I lot of things in the psychology of the people. So a lot of things. Whenever the people would like to interact, I would like to gauge them. I would like to have an empathy. Like what exactly do they feel when the problem comes in the systems? So basically, that helped me in understanding how exactly is the nature of a human and which helps in solving the problem. And mostly solving the problem with a smile. That's how it is.
Right. So that because you had something in you that you wanted to help someone, achieve in their career. So as now you're a mentor, what do you think how the AI is going to change perspective towards career mentoring or career counseling?
So say the same with a lot of other mentors in there. We don't call it career counseling as it's not a one-time job, or we are not just facilitating anybody. We are making somebody's career. We would like to get an understanding what exactly is the kid or the mid-career person is looking for. We understand what exactly is his nature. Depending on his nature, we would like to propose him a very better career path or so. And during this process, I think we have very good understanding and what do you call a contact with the student or with the mid-career person, wherein we can understand him better and find out his strengths. Depending on his strengths, we will be able to give him a career path and or a right choice, which will be able to be successful in his life.
So, sir, absolutely correct. You said Dhiya focuses on strength, not weaknesses, because we admire everyone's strength. So that's really good point, sir. So, sir, now that you're Dhiya career mentor and you're soon going to be mentoring students, so what message? Because there is so much confusion in parents, because every parent wants best for their child to build their career. Because in our society we have a particular career paths decided, like doctor, engineer, law. So, what message you want to convey to those parents or viewers to build their child's career better?
So, what first message I would tell is to talk to your kids first, understand what exactly is his or her nature, what are their strengths. Depending on those strengths, try to solve or come to a common truth. If they want to go for engineering, they can go. You can streamline their career path, or put a small mission, or understand what exactly the kid is trying to do. Whether he wants to become a sports person, he wants to be in the media, or he wants to become an engineer. Really, so it's like we are going to have a bonding between the parent and the child. So we'll be able to understand, give them a proper career solution using AI.
Absolutely. What a beautiful answer, sir. So I think it starts with understanding, right? So, so and now that you're part of Diya Career Mentor as a mentor, and we expect great things from you, I think you're going to help so many people with Diya. Thank you so much for joining us today, sir. And thank you everyone for joining us today for this Diya Masterpieces video. Stay tuned for the next video with our new mentor. Thank you so much.